Hi, and welcome to another episode of Switzerland series. This is our last day in Interlaken, and we have come to an Indian restaurant in Interlaken for dinner.
We are sitting in Switzerland and eating dal.
One main course in a good restaurant in Switzerland costs around 30 CHF.
Swiss chocolate in a dolu.
Time to leave this view, and to be honest, I don't feel like going at all. Usually what happens is when it's last day of your trip, you feel like, okay, let's go back home. But with Switzerland, it's like I'm not done yet. I want more. I want to, explore more cities. I don't want to leave these mountains. Yes. 6 day even 6 days is not enough. You need at least 10 days to enjoy this beauty, or even more. Time to say goodbye to this amazing Hotel du Lac, and to this amazing mountains of Interlaken. It's very, very hard to say goodbye to Interlaken, but there's always an end to a holiday. Now I will be going to Zurich. We will spend one day in Zurich, and then tomorrow we have a flight. If you have time, you can do the journey from Interlaken to Montrex in this train. The journey is for 3 hours 15 minutes, and it is a very scenic train. We don't have time this time, but maybe next time. This is the train which will take us to Zurich, and it'll take, I think, 1 hour some minutes. In all the intercity double-decker trains of Switzerland, you will find a play area. Yes, you heard me. There's a play area for your little ones in the middle section of upper deck of intercity trains. So you can ask for a family coach and they will guide you. This is the best place if you're traveling with kids in Switzerland. So now the train has started, and it takes 1 hour 58 minutes to Zurich from Interlaken, and it is a direct train. There are very less direct trains from Interlaken, so this one is a really good catch if you can. That's our hotel. Bye bye. Welcome to the financial capital of Switzerland, Zurich. With an impressive transportation system, you can see trams over there. This city is one of the best cities to have good quality of life and is home to over 50 museums. We are now traveling in tram number 14, which is in 3 minutes, to our hotel, and everything is written in Swiss German in Zurich. You know, guys, this city is one of the happiest cities in the world, and it has a population of over 400,000 people. We have now reached our hotel. Let's quickly check in and also see how is the room in Zurich, and I will also let you know how much I paid for this room, so stay tuned. If you are a chocolate lover, then you need to visit one of the 50 museums in Zurich, which is the Lindt Chocolate Museum, and it is 15 CHF per person. And to find out what we did in the 1 day time in Zurich, you have to stay tuned. Last day in Zurich, last hotel of Switzerland. It's a decent hotel. छोटा सा प्यारा सा है ना? What do they have? Oh, is it like a big room? Yeah. Oh, it's a double room. Wow. So basically, there's one room specifically for Asher, which is so cool. Price of this hotel room is 144 CHF per night, and it is just 10 minutes walk to the center. Now we are going to Rhine Falls, which is biggest falls in Europe, and to travel there we will have to travel from Zurich to a smaller town. I'll put the name of the town below. And yeah, really excited. They are very high, I think 23 meters. We have come to Zurich train station using tram number 14, and now we are traveling in train S9 to travel to that village. Basically, we'll get down before that village to a stop of Rhine Falls. This is the station for Rhine Falls, New Hussein something. And this is also a very beautiful village. And we made it to Rhine Falls. It is a 1-hour journey from Zurich. You can take train number S9, or there are other trains as well, but this one was like the fastest. And good thing is you have lifts to go down. This beautiful village that you are seeing here is Rhine Fall village, and it is very close to Germany border. There is a walk of around 10 to 12 minutes to Rhine Falls from the station.
We have made it to Rhine Falls. Look at that train. Wow. We are walking on the Rhine Falls promenade, and that's the view you get.
Rhine Falls are the biggest waterfalls of Europe, with a height of 23 meters and width of 150 meters. Simply breathtaking and stupendous. If you are traveling without pram, pets or anything like that, then you can even go very close to the falls by doing a trek, by climbing some stairs.
I am so excited. Rhine Falls has exceeded my expectations. It's gorgeous. It's more gorgeous than you see in the pictures. I am not sure if the video can justify this, but this is Rhine Falls for you. I want to say one more thing. If you are in Zurich, I will highly recommend this place. Takes you almost 1 hour, and this is worth it.
Rhine Fall village also has this cute little toy train which can take you around the village.
Samosa.
What all you have?
Samosa, pav bhaji.
We were quite hungry and we were surprised by this Indian stall selling samosas and stuff. Tickets! You get the tickets for the boat here, and that's how you go to Rhine Falls.
We are sitting in Rhine Falls, and look what we are eating. Pav bhaji, samosa, fries. I mean, what more can you?
That's the boat we are taking. 30-minute audio guide tour to Rhine Falls. This is the entry from where you go and take this boat. People have already queued up. We are rushing towards it, and there are stairs, so we will have to hold the pram. So we are taking that boat down there. Let's go in the boat. Go down, baby. इसके अंदर एक एनिमल रहता है, वो कभी कभी दिखता है इसे लगता है।
अच्छा
The water in Rhine Falls is very polluted and it's not safe at all. And this is that beautiful village which I was mentioning earlier in the vlog. The name is very difficult, so I will put it on the screen, but it looks so gorgeous. So if you have time, you can go there as well. Now we are going really close to the falls, and we have been warned that we might get slightly wet because of splashing water from the falls.
Asher, did you get wet?
It's a good 2 to 3 hours activity in Rhine Falls. You can do boating, you can enjoy some Indian snacks, and you can roam around the villages. इतना सुंदर लग रहा है बारिश and hill station. This is a coffee machine in here, and inside they are making coffee once you do the payment. मस्त लाटे बन रही है. And it started raining as well. Perfect timing, right? It was not at all raining when we went to the falls, and just when we came out it started raining, so quite lucky in terms of weather. Look at the big bricks of chocolate. You will find so many options to shop chocolate in Zurich, and not just chocolate, delicious chocolates. We are back in Zurich city. Time is 7 p.m. and we are doing a stroll around the city. This is the very famous cathedral of Zurich, and because it's a Sunday, everything is closed by 6 p.m. Last day in Zurich, and look what we found. Beautiful rainbow, and with this rainbow I would like to end the Switzerland series here. Tomorrow we go back to London, back to normal life. If you have liked my Switzerland series, please subscribe to my channel, and we will go to more beautiful places in upcoming vlogs. Till then, bye bye. But before leaving the episode, you need to find out which Swiss watch we shopped from Switzerland while going back, so stay tuned. So Himanshu got a Rado from Switzerland.